In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Mailchimp for 2025. We'll take you step by step through the process to make your email campaigns pop with color and style. Let's get started. First, head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to Campaigns and then select All Campaigns. Here, you have the option to open an existing campaign or start fresh by clicking Create, then Email, followed by Regular. Next, progress to the design step of your email. Now that you're in the Mailchimp editor, let's open up the Style Settings panel. Simply click on any blank space outside of the content blocks. This will open up the style settings on the right sidebar. In this area, you'll be able to adjust global styles like the background, text color, fonts, and link styles. Once you have the style settings panel open, let's change the overall email background color. In the right panel, navigate to the Style tab, then to the page or body section, which depends on your email layout. Look out for the background color or page background option. Click on the color swatch located next to it. You can then choose a new color either by using the color picker or entering a specific hex code. Options like F for white or F7 for a light gray are available. When you're satisfied with your choice, click Save and Close. Just a quick tip, sticking to a neutral or brand-aligned background color can greatly enhance your email's readability. If your template has a white email body but a different outer background, you'll want to change the content area background color. Click on the main content area inside your email and look for content background color in the right sidebar. Select your desired color and witness it instantaneously update in the preview. For instance, having an outer background of light gray, such as a Hanchboard F5, 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 with a white content background like HAPF, can create a modern floating illusion in your email. Moving on to individual sections, perhaps you want only one specific part, such as a header, footer, or text box, to be distinctively colored. Hover over the desired section and click the edit icon, typically a pencil. In the right sidebar, scroll down to the Style tab. Here you can choose or enter a color code for the background color and adjust the padding for even visibility. Once you like the look, click Save and Close. For brand consistency, use your brand's colors. Click the color swatch within the editor anytime, and under brand colors, you can add custom hex codes for certificates from your brand palette. Mailchimp will remember these colors for you, making future campaign design even smoother. And should you feel creative, you can also add a background image. In the right sidebar, head over to Style Then Page and scroll to the background image section. Click Replace to upload your image and adjust the alignment, tiling, and scaling as you see fit. Then click Save. A quick caution, remember that not all email clients display background images consistently, so always test your designs first. Once you've applied all your style changes, it's crucial to preview and test your design. Use the preview function to enter preview mode and toggle between desktop and mobile views. Sending a test email to yourself will allow you to see how the colors render across different platforms like Gmail, Outlook, and on your mobile device. This concludes our comprehensive guide on changing your Mailchimp email background color for 2025. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.